Hi, my name is Atisha. I'm a customer solution manager here at Amazon Web Services, focused on our digital native customers. And with me today, I have our customer Prateek, Head of Technology at MoneySmart, which is a leading personal finance portal based in Asia. I am excited to share with you today on Amazon Personalize and how MoneySmart has effectively used it to engage with their new and existing customers. In terms of agenda for this session, we will cover why Amazon Personalize is relevant for you and your customers. We will also dive into what are the key features of Amazon Personalize and what use cases they can apply to in your environment, and give you an overview on how Amazon Personalize works behind the scenes. And to bring this all to life, Prateek will walk you through their journey on why they invested in Amazon Personalize and how it has helped MoneySmart attain their key goals. Personalization is everywhere and something that we have all experienced. You probably recently watched an on-demand video and saw personalized TV show and movie recommendations tailored just for you based on your recent binge watch. Or you visited an e-commerce website to shop for a new gadget or clothes or shoes and saw product recommendations based on your past purchase history. As you can see in the data statistics, personalized experiences boost customer loyalty and drive sustained engagement, and it shows. When consumers are captivated by a curated browsing or shopping experience, they are more likely to increase engagement with the given application and continue using the service the business is providing for a longer period of time. In fact, 60% of consumers say they will be repeat customers after a personalized experience. One more interesting statistic is that research shows that it can cost 5 times more to gain a new customer than to retain an existing customer. This speaks volumes when it comes to designing the optimal user experience for your business model. Personalization no longer fits into the nice-to-have category. A recent McKinsey study shares that 71% of consumers now see personalization as the standard level of service while engaging with businesses. So let's look at what are the top use cases of personalization we see with our customers across the globe today. The first being user personalization. Personalized product or content recommendations tailored to a user's profile and interests are more likely to drive higher conversion. Amazon Personalize helps tailor recommendations to user behavior, preferences, and history, boosting their engagement and satisfaction in real time instead of providing a uniform experience. The MoneySmart case study Prateek will walk you through in a bit is focused on this use case. The second one is related items recommendation. It is easy to build a naive model which recommends mostly popular items, but hard to build a system that shows relevant recommendations based on user behavior to create unique, relevant experiences for your customers. Similar items are based on the interactions of the user with your item. People who click on these items also click on the other items. The combination of users' historical interactions and item metadata increases the relevance of recommendations and ensures similar items capture your users' attention, unlocking upsell opportunities. The third use case is personalized rankings. Business priorities requires you to promote specific content or products, such as a hit new TV show, trending news, seasonal merchandise, or a time-bound promotional offer. Amazon Personalize enables you to re-rank your product catalog to highlight something relevant to your users while achieving your business priorities and ensuring the best consumer experience. The fourth use case is user segmentation. User segmentation uses advanced ML to identify user segments based on their preferences for different products, categories, brands, and more. This can help you drive higher engagement with marketing campaigns and increase retention rates through hyper-targeted messaging. The increased adoption by our customers of Amazon Personalize is mainly due to the following reasons. Amazon Personalize enables you to quickly build applications at scale with the same ML technology used by Amazon.com, all without any ML expertise required, saving a significant amount of time and resources. Amazon Personalize APIs integrate seamlessly into your technical stack or business process. The service also provides flexibility to use real-time or batch data based on what is most appropriate for your use case. It helps save development time as Amazon Personalize automates and manages the ML pipeline for many of the complicated steps required, including processing customer data, as well as training, optimizing, and hosting the recommendation API. It helps drive meaningful engagement and goes beyond basic rule-based models, allowing customers to personalize every touch point in the customer journey and tune recommendations using advanced one-to-one targeting strategies. It increases user engagement. By using a blend of real-time user activity data and user profile information, customers can increase engagement and conversion through dynamic customer experiences and better product or content recommendations. Amazon Personalize is a fully managed ML service that goes beyond rigid rule-based recommendation systems to deliver highly personalized recommendations. It automatically provisions the necessary infrastructure and manages the entire ML pipeline, including processing the data, identifying features, and training, tuning, optimizing, and hosting the models. Of course, to train a model, you need data. Here's how it works. You start by providing data about your users and items to Amazon Personalize, either by uploading data directly through an API or pointing Amazon Personalize to an Amazon S3 bucket. The data we use for modeling on Personalize is of three types. The activity of your users, also known as events. Example includes items your users are clicking on, purchasing, watching. The events you choose to send us will be dependent on your business domain. This data set has the strongest signal for personalization and is the only one mandatorily required for personalization. The second kind of data set includes details about your items. Example, price point, category information, genre, essentially information in your catalog. This data set is optional but very useful for scenarios such as cold start, that is recommending new items. The third data set includes details about the users, example, their location, age, etc. The more quality data you add, the better. For example, using Amazon Personalize for media, you can import information about your video titles as well as add metadata about the titles and users. This metadata is important for training your model to find insights into similarities in preferences and behavior of users. When it comes to an ML-based recommendation system, it's all about setting parameters and then feeding it data so that it can train itself. Done well, it will enhance your user experience efforts, giving you an edge over competitors. Now, once you have the data in, you can, in just a few clicks, get a custom private personalization model trained and hosted for you. You can then send recommendations for your users through a private API. From a machine learning standpoint, behind the scenes, Amazon Personalize performs all the steps you typically find in a machine learning pipeline, including processing and inspecting your data, identifying what features in your data are meaningful, selecting the right algorithms and parameters, training and optimizing a machine learning model, and finally, providing a real-time auto-scaling API. Now that you have a good understanding of how Personalize works and how it would be relevant to retain and grow your customer base, I will pass it on to Prateek to bring this to life on how MoneySmart adopted the personalization journey. Over to you, Prateek.
Thanks, Itisha, for the introduction. Thank you all for joining me today for this talk on the journey of building a personalized product recommendations engine at MoneySmart. I'm excited to share our experiences and insights with you all, and I hope you'll find this information valuable. Let me first give you an overview of what I'll be covering today. First, a brief introduction to MoneySmart, the company at the heart of this journey and its mission to help consumers make informed financial decisions. Next, we'll explore the journey to creating a personalized product recommendations engine and the rationale behind the decision. In the section after, we'll dive into the critical decisions we made, the challenges we faced, and the final architecture we chose. Then, we'll discuss the tangible benefits and the impact this has had on MoneySmart's business performance, user engagement, and customer satisfaction levels. Lastly, we'll look ahead and discuss the future of personalization at MoneySmart. So let's jump right into it. Founded in 2009, MoneySmart has grown significantly over the years, adapting to the evolving need of consumers and the financial landscape. We're a leading personal finance aggregator in Southeast Asia. Our platform empowers consumers by providing them with a comprehensive suite of financial tools, resources to help make informed decisions about their personal finance. We operate across 4 key markets in the region: Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and the Philippines. We strive to deliver localized solutions tailored to the unique needs of each market. We operate 2 main brands. First, the flagship MoneySmart brand focuses on personal finance aggregation, offering a one-stop shop for comparing and choosing financial products. Secondly, we have our new established insurance brand, Bubblegum, which is currently available in Singapore. Bubblegum's aim is to create the most desirable insurance products and experiences and become the winning digital insurance brand of the future. As a company, our mission is empowering everyone to make smarter financial decisions through meaningful and rewarding customer relationships. All our offerings are tailored towards achieving this. We provide a comprehensive platform for users to compare and apply over 30 different financial product categories, including credit cards, loans, insurance, and investment products. We aim to simplify the process of finding the right financial products by providing users with easy-to-understand comparison and seamless application process. In addition to a comparison platform, MoneySmart offers thousands of content articles on personal finance and lifestyle topics tailored to users' interests and needs to help them make informed financial decisions. Additionally, we provide a range of personal finance tools such as loan calculators to help users manage their finances more effectively. It's important to understand the typical customer journey on our platform, which consists of 4 key steps. Beginning when the customer searches for a financial product, such as a credit card or a loan, they find MoneySmart as a resource for comparing various products and providers. Once on our platform, the customer can easily compare different providers and weigh the pros and cons of each option. After choosing the best product for their needs, they are either redirected to our partner's website to complete the application, or in some cases, they can submit the application directly with MoneySmart. This streamlines the process, makes it seamless and hassle-free as possible. Finally, after the application is approved, the customers can claim rewards on MoneySmart, such as cashback or exclusive promotions. This not only adds value for our customers, but also fosters loyalty and encourages them to continue using us for their future financial needs. Our personalization journey started by the definition of our business priorities, which were fostering long-term relationships with our customers, enhancing customer retention and loyalty, engaging users to continue choosing MoneySmart as their go-to platform for product comparisons and information. Thirdly, enhance our cross-sell capabilities so customers choose multiple financial product categories from MoneySmart. We also identified a key product problem that needed to be addressed. Our platform was very static user experience for all customers, regardless of their individual preferences, financial situations, past interactions with our platform. They were presented with the same generic content and recommendations. This one-size-fits-all approach limited our ability to effectively engage with our customers and provide them with the most relevant information and suggestions. To address these priorities and business needs, the team set a goal to provide personalized experiences and relevant and contextual recommendations to our customers, leveraging high-quality data. As we began to achieve this goal, we faced a unique set of circumstances and challenges that influenced our approach and decision-making process. First, we had a wealth of customer interaction data aggregated from multiple sources in our data lake and data warehouse. This data represented a valuable asset for our personalization efforts, as it provided us with insights into our customers' preferences, behaviors, and financial needs. Our team faced a gap in AI/ML expertise and resources. This required us to carefully consider how to best utilize our existing skill sets and potentially collaborate with external partners or invest in upskilling our team. We were also working under an aggressive timeline to bring our product recommendations engine to the market. This added pressure to make smart decisions quickly and efficiently while ensuring we were building a solution that would deliver the desired outcome. We carefully considered three main options for building our personalized product recommendations engine. First was a pure rules-based recommendation engine. Although this approach would have been easier to implement, it becomes harder to manage and maintain with a large data set. It would also be less adaptive to evolving user behavior and preferences over time. The second option would involve developing custom machine learning models from scratch. While this provides high level of customization, it would still require significant AI/ML expertise and resources that we lacked at that time. The third option was to look for partners and platforms as a service solutions. This approach would allow us to leverage the external expertise and pre-built solutions to accelerate our time to market. After carefully weighing the pros and cons of each option, we went with the third one, which was a PaaS solution, as it offered the right balance for our team. We decided to use Amazon Personalize as the platform for building a personalized product recommendations engine. This decision was based on several key factors that made Amazon Personalize the right fit for our needs. First, it's designed to work effectively with large volumes of interaction data, which was a key asset of our personalization efforts. This allowed us to leverage the rich data in our data lake and data warehouse to generate more accurate and relevant recommendations for our customers. Our entire platform is already hosted on AWS, and our team has extensive experience with its service and tools. This familiarity made it easier for us to integrate Amazon Personalize into our existing infrastructure and workflows. It reduced the learning curve and the potential risks associated with adopting a brand new technology. Amazon Personalize is also a managed service that doesn't require any deep ML expertise to start off with. This was crucial for our team given the gap in AI/ML resources we faced at the time. It allowed us to focus on building a product recommendations engine without the need for extensive upskilling. By using Amazon Personalize, we could accelerate our time to market, meeting our aggressive and go-to-market timeline. The platform's pre-built algorithms and managed services enabled us to develop and deploy the recommendations engine more quickly. We embarked on the journey to reach our minimal viable product stage. First, we collaborated with AWS solutions architects who provided us with valuable guidance on the right learning and setup of resources. This expert advice helped us navigate the initial stages of implementing Amazon Personalize and set us on the right path. To ensure efficiency and agility, we assembled a lean team of skilled individuals who were dedicated to the project. This team structure enabled us to make quick decisions, iterate rapidly, and maintain a focused approach throughout the development process. Our team dove into Amazon Personalize, learning about its features, capabilities, and best practices. Simultaneously, we prepared our data manually, ensuring it was the right format and structure to be used effectively by the platform. We experimented with various solutions and recipes available in Amazon Personalize to determine which ones would yield the best results for our specific use case. We were able to ultimately develop and launch our first cut MVP of the product recommendations engine in less than 3 months. This journey was not without any challenges. The team did have to overcome a few hurdles along the way. One of the notable challenges we encountered during our personalization journey was the difference between personal finance domain products and traditional e-commerce. The buying behavior of a customer in personal finance sector significantly differs from that of e-commerce shoppers, which impacted the way we approached our personalized recommendations engine. In the personal finance domain, customers tend to be more cautious and deliberate in their decision-making process, as the products they are considering often have long-term implications on their financial well-being. This contrasts with e-commerce platforms, where customers might be more inclined to make quick and impulsive purchases. To address this challenge, we leveraged custom domain sets instead of specific domain sets like e-commerce or video recommendations within AWS Personalize. Custom domain sets allowed us to model our domain more accurately, capturing the unique characteristic of personal finance products and customer behavior. Another challenge we faced during our personalization journey was the cold start problem. This occurs when a large number of users visiting our platform were new and had no prior interactions. This made it difficult for our product recommendations engine to generate personalized suggestions, as there is limited data available on these users in terms of their preferences and behaviors. Additionally, we experienced a low category diversity for popular products. This occurred primarily because our interaction datasets were skewed towards credit cards, which is a major performer on our platform. This made it challenging to generate diverse and relevant recommendations that covered the full range of financial products that we offered. To address these challenges, we made adjustments to our personalized recommendations engine to ensure that it considered a wider range of financial product categories, even if the available interaction dataset was predominantly focused on credit cards. Also, to strike a balance between personalization and diversity, we incorporated curated lists created by our subject matter experts. These lists provided a hand-picked selection of high-quality financial products across various categories, ensuring that our recommendations offered both diversity and relevance to our users, regardless of their low interaction history. In our final solution architecture, all interaction data from the website experience and data from our backend servers is pushed into Kinesis data streams that are processed in AWS Lambda and stored in our data lake on S3. This raw data is then processed daily in ETL jobs scheduled via Airflow to populate the Redshift data warehouse. A relevant subset of data is then prepared to feed into Amazon Personalize in the form of user, item, and interaction datasets. The model is then retrained regularly on the new data. This process was done manually at first, but we are working towards automation in retraining the model. We leverage the user personalization recipe on Amazon Personalize to generate recommendations for a particular customer. We also built a recommendation service that interacts with Personalize's APIs to fetch the results. It also contains a layer of business rules that helps us contextualize and tweak the results further based on business parameters. The different client-side applications call the recommendation service APIs to fetch products to be recommended for a particular customer in various experiences. One of the key parts of this architecture was to stream live customer interactions into Amazon Personalize, which modifies the product recommendations results in near real time. With no need to retrain the model, Amazon Personalize can leverage users' most recent activity and update the recommendations as they use our application. This was extremely useful in the relevance of recommendations to our customers. We used AWS Lambda at the end of a Kinesis data stream to feed the relevant interaction event data into Amazon Personalize. There's also a strong business rules layer built in the recommendations service, which utilizes Amazon Personalize features and post-processing to make the recommendations more contextualized and relevant. This includes promoting certain products as per trends and offers, leveraging readership insights from our customers' consumption of content and some of their profile attributes. We used user and item metadata for this, along with Amazon Personalize's ability to filter and promote products dynamically while fetching recommendations. This was enhanced with a layer of post-processing for any other specific business rules for getting the final recommendations. As we went live, we measured the conversion ratios between machine learning generated recommendations against curated lists from our domain experts. We noticed as the data and usage of Amazon Personalize increased, the ML-based recommendations were performing much better than the subject matter experts in terms of engagement and conversion. This was an encouraging signal for tweaking and enhancing our models. Our overall journey started approximately early in the year 22 when business goals and priorities had shifted. The recommendations project was kicked off later in the year in October, and we went live with the first MVP in Singapore before the end of the year in December 22. We then followed this approach and went live in a Hong Kong market by the end of January 2023. Post that, we have been continuously working towards optimizations and refinement of the engine and its relevance. Let's take a look at the demo of the end result. This is what some parts of the end customer experience look like. As a customer navigates to their personalized dashboard, they can see a top recommended product for them, and they can learn more about its key features and promotions. They also see more picks based on their profile and interaction on MoneySmart. They can browse through the list of products and read more about them. They can also initiate their purchase or application journey based on their interests. While learning about a certain product, they are also recommended other essential products from the same category for them to consider. Another tool we built was an internally built admin UI and recommendations debugger. It was built to help us dig deeper into why customers were recommended certain products and helped gather feedback from domain experts. We could see customer activity, viewership history, purchase history attributes, and how it translated into top recommendations for a particular customer. It played a key role in measuring and enhancing different strategies around recommendations. It was crucial for us to measure success and track the impact on our business. To do this, we identified key metrics that would help us understand the effectiveness of our recommendations and the overall user experience. One of our primary goals was to encourage customers to interact with our recommendations. This would suggest that the recommendations were relevant and appealing to them. By monitoring customer engagement with recommended products, we could evaluate how well our engine was resonating with our users. Click-through rate is also a critical metric that measures the proportion of users who click on our recommended products and continue their discovery of the product. Ultimately, the goal is to help users find and apply for the best financial products that suit their need. Conversion rate measures the percentage of users who finally made an application with us or showed high intent for the same. We have seen a positive impact on our business from personalized product recommendations. Since the launch, we have exposed over 50,000 customers to the recommendations experience. Our engine has been successfully launched in 2 of our key markets, demonstrating the scalability and adaptability of our solution across different regions and user demographics. Among the users that have been exposed to recommendations, 14% of them have interacted with our suggestions. This level of engagement indicates that our engine is effectively capturing users' attention and resonating with their needs and preferences. The recommendations engine has directly contributed towards generating over 4,500 applications for various financial products. As we continue to evolve our personalization capabilities at MoneySmart, we have several exciting initiatives planned that will build upon our existing personalized product recommendations engine. We plan to expand our personalization efforts beyond financial products to include personalized recommendations of content and deals across the MoneySmart experience. To deliver even more tailored and personalized experiences, we will be leveraging deeper customer profile attributes in our recommendations. By understanding our customers' demographic, financial, and behavioral attributes, we can create a more comprehensive view of their needs and preferences, enabling us to provide more accurate and relevant recommendations. While our current PaaS solution has served us well, we recognize that there may be specific challenges that may be addressed more effectively through bespoke machine learning models. We plan to explore solutions like AWS SageMaker to build custom models that can solve these unique challenges, allowing us to further optimize and enhance our personalization capabilities. Our experience in building a product recommendations engine has provided us with valuable insights. I'd like to leave you with some of the top ones. First, set clear goals and success measuring criteria to ensure alignment and track progress regularly. Data preparation is going to be crucial for the effectiveness of your models. Also, leverage domain expertise to tailor the solution to the needs of your industry. Begin with a simple approach and then iterate and improve continuously. Don't forget to focus on the engineering surrounding the ML model, especially a business layer, and always make use of AWS experts to help you optimize your implementation. Now, I'll hand it over to Itisha to discuss some key programs to assist you on your personalization journey.
Thank you, Prateek, for taking us through MoneySmart's personalization journey. Hope you all can see how seamless it is and are ready to embark on your own personalization journey. To gain more confidence and hands-on experience with AWS on personalization and other areas, access the digital training built by AWS experts. Attend our instructor-led classes by qualified AWS instructors and learn how to design, deploy, and operate highly available, cost-effective, and secure applications on AWS. Validate your technical expertise with AWS and use practice exams to help you prepare for AWS certification. Thank you again for attending, and we'd really appreciate your feedback so that we can better understand the topics and services you would like to know more about. So please do take the time to fill out our survey and let us know what you think.